when you do this element, now in the next song, let's try not to do now that repetition. Let's try to use this to start directly into that tune. Because I want that the leader focus in that when the follower changes her weight from her right to her left, already my right foot is behind my left foot. I will show it in different position. It's there, ready to get my weight, so then I do a side step. Behind to do a side step. Not the kind of cross, tight cross that won't let me move to the side. It's only as a bridge to go to that side step. So you have to get into that position when the follower is changing weight, before she does the one, before she does the forward step. When the follower changes weight here, that's when you are already crossing that right foot behind your left. So when you do the side step, the follower is doing the forward step. In this moment, so then I do the side step. When she's doing the two, I am getting in between her feet. This exercise, that is what the follower is doing. It's related to the molinete, but you leaders are always invited to practice this. It's a chair, but without the chair. Collect, tap, side, back, side, forward, side, feet together, tap, and side, and back, and side, and forward, and together, tap, back, side, forward, side, and I will do it in the opposite orientation. Tap, side, back, side, forward, side, tap, then you go to the other side. Tap, side, back, side, forward. Now let's do it in one direction. That will be clockwise direction. Side, back, side, forward, and keep going. Back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, side, forward, side. This element that will work, here look, I cross behind when she changes weight. I do the side step when she goes forward. Enter in between. In the next position, I start again. In this position, I start again. So you can repeat the turn. 3 times, we'll be getting close to exuberance, to hybris. So 2, 3 times, and that's it. You can do more. It's not illegal, but try to practice that link that you can repeat the element, making your partner repeat the turn. Let's try.